Emerald Beach here on the Coffs coast. It's a cracker spot. Today is packed full of action. First up, I'm headed to Driscoll's to learn about some of the tastiest and sweetest blueberries in the country. They're amazing. They're not small.
No, they got all the characteristics that we're looking for. Size, crunch, flavor, and most important, that sweetness.
They're sweet, aren't they? Well, I'm loaded up with some delicious blueberries. Now I'm off to meet up with Lyndall, who's an artisan cheesemaker.
Hey Hayden, welcome.
Hey Lyndall.
So we're going to measure 1 mil of rennet out of there.
It's like a little science experiment, isn't it?
It is.
1 mil.
1 mil. Whoever said you can't play with your food, it never made mozzarella.
That's so true.
With that much curd, you should be able to get that up to about 1 metre, I reckon.
That's cool, isn't it? All those laminations are in there,
Yeah.
and the stretchiness.
Yeah.
This is great. Next up, meeting up with Darren from New Life Farm. Can't wait to check out what's new and what they've got going on at the farm.
Look at that one. Let's have a look. I'll give you a taste and make sure it's up to your standards, mate.
That is juicy. I think that's looking pretty good. Nice consistency, and that's what we're looking for. The glaze has a beautiful purple colour. And mates, we're going to be happy with that. What do you think, Daz?
Oh yeah, it's amazing, mate.
Got the glaze on there.